show this view. I'm out here by the wood pile. In the mulch pile. And the avocados. And the guava. Man, I'll tell you what, this guava's exploding. Exploded. I mean, it's tripled in size since I bought it. And it's just, I mean, this is November 30th. And there's so much new growth on everything. I mean, it's, what time is it? It's probably, what is it, 9 a.m.? And it's probably 78 or 80 in the sun, 70 in the shade. My neighbor's got the dragon fruit. Check this out. This is where I got all mine from. She's very awesome. Look at all that. Look at all that. I mean, it's insanely everywhere. Everywhere. What do we want? Look at that. Everywhere. Bet I could find it over here if I tried. Oh, look at there. Dragon fruit. I mean, that's at the top of this palm tree that's 30 feet. I mean, it's as tall as this light post, taller. So this thing and the other tree next to it has just as many. Here, across the way, let me see if I can see it. Yeah, there it is. That's the tree across your driveway. Just as much. Awesome.